In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop video in CapCut on PC. If you need to cut out background clutter, remove unwanted edges, or simply reframe your shot so the viewer focuses on the right part of the video, CapCut on PC makes the process very quick. The good news is that you do not need any advanced editing experience to do this. Everything happens in just a few clicks, and once you know where the crop tool is, it becomes a very easy part of your editing workflow. To get started, go down to your timeline and click on the video clip you want to edit. Make sure the clip is selected before moving on, because CapCut needs to know exactly which piece of media you want to crop. Once your clip is highlighted, look at the toolbar right above the timeline tracks and click the crop icon. This will open CapCut's dedicated crop window, which is where all of the framing adjustments happen. Now it's time to adjust your frame. You'll see green handles around the border of your video. Click and drag those handles inward to trim away the parts of the image you do not want. This is especially useful if there is empty space, distracting background detail, or anything near the edges that takes attention away from your subject. As you drag, try to keep your composition balanced so the main focus of the shot stays clear and centered. If you want more control over the shape of the crop, look at the ratio drop-down at the bottom of the crop window. Choose free if you want to make a custom crop without being locked into a fixed shape. If you are editing for a specific platform or layout, you can also choose a preset like 9:16 for vertical content or 16:9 for widescreen. Using a preset ratio helps keep your video formatted correctly for where it will be viewed. Once the crop looks the way you want, click the bright blue Confirm button in the bottom right corner. CapCut will instantly apply the crop to your video in the timeline. After that, if needed, you can use the blue handles in the preview player to scale up your cropped video or recenter it so everything sits exactly where you want it in the frame. And that's it. Your video is now cropped and ready to keep editing. This is one of the easiest ways to clean up a shot and improve the overall look of your project inside CapCut on PC.